Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome to our late show today. We are in the middle of renovation madness out there. We're just all hands on deck. And because we've got builders out there that need us for some certain things, unfortunately, we were occupied by getting a few things installed that they needed our help with. And we're only starting now. So this is this show is really just to let you guys know about phase 4. And also the, Richie, do you want to just check that out? We've got more stuff going on here in the background. We've got deliveries coming. And just what's coming for you guys next week. Today we just did the last workout for deload week of the phase 3 program, and I had some amazing comments on there from people that are giving us thanks for the support that we've given you guys during this lockdown period. I'm so grateful to hear all that stuff from you. Thank you. And the big announcement for today is the launch of the Phase 4 Animal Flow program, and it's a big announcement for a lot of reasons. I love Animal Flow, and I love that type of movement style training, and it's something that we never added to the UMS purely because it's just a whole nother thing. And we didn't want to confuse people. We wanted people to, to understand what the foundations of our program were all about. But by popular demand, we had so many of you asking for this, and I'm really excited to see the enthusiasm about the Animal Flow program because it is a lot of fun. And the main thing that I want to address is we've had so many comments saying where people have watched the video of me doing the Animal Flow for the advertisement for this program and saying, I really hope that there's some regressions. There absolutely are regressions. Just like in everything in our programs, there's regressions and progressions. What you've got to understand, guys, is that, any type of, promotion or advertisement or marketing or anything that anybody does in the fitness industry is generally a look at what can be achieved when you do this. Because that's just what's been proven to motivate people. If you were marketing a weight loss program, you very rarely would see people showing overweight people saying, hey, I'm going to lose the weight by doing this program. They're always showing people that are in, tip-top bodybuilding shape, showing you this is what can be achieved with this program. Of course, that's not what we're doing here. It's not a weight loss program or anything like that. But yeah, I just wanted to really clear that up. When you look at that video of me doing those Animal Flow movements, that's me showing, some of my better efforts and just showing some of the things that I achieved from the practice that I put into it. But of course, it is all broken down into progressions and regressions, and it's going to be so much fun. For those of you that are still unable to get to the gym, this is going to be awesome for you. It's a whole nother at-home style program that involves no equipment. And for those of you that even can get to the gym but that have wanted to learn Animal Flow, this is a really, really cool way to get started. It's a great way to teach you the movement patterns that are going to get you to where you want to go. So I really, really hope that you guys jump on and grab it. As soon as I finish this show, I'm going to make it live. And as always, you're going to have, this weekend to be able to get it at a really great reduced price as well. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Unity Gym members, I'm going to be seeing you tomorrow at the gym at 9 a.m. It's a big day for us getting back in here. We've got just some amazing changes to our gym to show you. And for everyone doing those at-home workouts with me next week, the daily time will change. If you're in the US or Europe, you're still going to get the workouts. If you're in the US, the workouts will go live right in the middle of the night, like midnight or 1 a.m. or something the day before you need to do it. So when you get up in the morning, it'll be there for you. Monday's workout will be there. In the UK and Europe, I think it's going to be at a perfect time for you guys to join in live. It'll be live streamed for you at 6 or 7 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, guys, I really hope to see you all in there. And remember, as always, with this Animal Flow program, you have access to me through this group. So if you've got any questions, anything that needs clarifying, I will absolutely do it. And like all our programs as well, we always add to them if there's anything needed. So if people watch it and say, oh, I'd really like a video that shows how to do this a little bit better or whatever, I'll make it for you and we'll put it in there. So yeah, look, guys, very short show today. Just had to, give you guys a quick check-in. I've got to get straight back out there and get back into these renovations and finish all this stuff off so that we can open tomorrow. So thank you everyone for your support. Can't wait to see you in the Animal Flow workouts next week, and have a great weekend.
Health is about performance, not just body image.
You better be willing to accept what you're going to have to do to get there.
We'll start focusing on movement goals, strength goals, flexibility goals.
When you nail that skill, that's there forever.
The body image goal doesn't get you that far.
It's the consistency and frequency that's going to get you there. It's not the intensity.
There's no shortcuts to mastery and movement. Destination doesn't change overnight, but your direction will.
The gym is not the place to beat up the body that you hate. It's the place to build the body that you love.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image. We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe